Did you know? According to Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration's National Survey on Drug Use and Health, 23.5 million persons aged 12 or older needed addiction treatment services. That's 9.3% of the population in that age group. Odds are there's someone in your life that suffered from a substance use disorder, and you may not even be aware of it. Hi, my name is Pattie Schneeman, and I'm Clinical Director at the Phoenix Houses of the Mid-Atlantic. And I'm here to talk to you today about how to recognize if someone you know may be suffering from a substance use disorder. Substance use disorders do not discriminate. They affect people from all walks of life, regardless of race, gender, or socioeconomic status. So how do you recognize when someone has a drug or alcohol problem? Some of the early symptoms of drug abuse are not particularly obvious. For example, your body's tolerance to a drug increases when a drug is abused for long enough that more drugs are required to achieve the same effects. This happens quickly in some people, and it is even sometimes celebrated. For example, that Joe, he can really hold his liquor. Increased tolerance leads to increased amounts that are being used. As an observer, you may notice increased quantities of a substance being consumed before the person realizes it themselves. If confronted, the person often becomes defensive and begins to hide their consumption. So keeping an eye out for other signs is important. Other physical signs include 1. Changes in appearance and may include bloodshot or glazed eyes, dilated or constricted pupils. 2. Abrupt weight changes. 3. Bruises. 4. Frequent illnesses. And 5. Other physical signs at the drug's entrance site on the body. For example, injection site infections or discoloration around the mouth. You will also notice changes in behavior when someone is abusing substances. Some behaviors that may indicate a problem include increased aggression or irritability, changes in attitude or personality, fatigue, depression, sudden changes in social network, dramatic changes in habits and/or priorities, financial problems, and involvement in criminal activity. Learning to recognize the physical or behavioral signs of use can help prevent the problem from progressing further. Stay tuned for our next installment of Did You Know? For tips on confronting your loved one. Thanks for watching today's video. And now you know.